one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic.
There are times when we feel dry, when it feels as if prayer is difficult, as if hope is worn thin, and your heart begins to wonder if anything fresh could still come. And in those times, the Lord surprises us. He brings refreshment and renewal in the midst of all. For the Lord says, I am not limited by the things which look barren. I am the one who brings water. I bring water from the rock. I am the one who is restoring you and refreshing you. Take time in my presence. Take time with me, looking beyond the blockages, looking beyond the obstacles, allowing me to bring new life and new birth. For I'm bringing living water to you. I'm bringing refreshment to you. I bring you into a place of renewal. Trust in me that I am at work, that I am the one who is causing water to flow, even from the rock. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.